time for calendar and weather. Do you remember the month we're in? Well, let's use our resource. Which month are we in? April. And do you remember the season too? Well, look at the picture. And let's see the word. What season? We are in spring. If you remember that, pat yourself on the back. Let's go ahead and get, we know we're in April. What number comes after 14? Do you know? Let's go ahead and look at the hundreds chart as a resource. Did you find the number 14? Here it is. Let's hop one hop. And what number are we on now? 15. So let's go ahead and get the number. It is April 15th, 2021. Let's put this on the calendar. And what is today? Do you remember from earlier in the message what today is? Let's look at our days of the week resource. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Do you know? Thursday. If you remembered that, great job. Let's go ahead and get Thursday. Today is Thursday. Do you know what yesterday was? Let's see. If today's Thursday, what was yesterday? Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Do you know what tomorrow will be? Well, let's see. What comes after Thursday? Friday. So let's get Friday. Tomorrow will be Friday. And we figured out we were in which season? Do you remember? We looked at our resource a moment ago. Spring. So let's add spring. Oh, and it was raining yesterday, just like the picture on that. Describe the weather for today. Look outside. What do you notice? I do see the sun. The sun is shining, and there are some clouds. If there are clouds and it's a little bit gray and the sun is shining, what's that called? Do you remember? Partly cloudy. And if it gets really cloudy, it could be mostly cloudy. But right now it's partly cloudy. Let's add this here. And how many days have we now been in school? Well, let's go ahead and get the number from yesterday. Yesterday was 128. What number comes after 128? Do you know? Think about it. Let's use our resource, the hundreds chart, and see if we can figure it out together. If we start on the 28 and hop one hop, 29. Let's make it 129. We've been in school so many days. Oh, and tomorrow, do you know what we get to do? Hold on. First, let's say this big number, and then we can talk about what we're going to do. What's this big number? Say 129. Let's put this on the place value chart. Are you ready? We have 100, 2 10s, 9 1s. Let's get one counting rod and add it to the ones pocket and start with our 100. We have 100. How many hundreds? 100. Get the 100 in your brain. Keep it right there. 100. Now let's get our 2 10s. How many 10s do we have, kindergartners? We have 2 10s. Here's the 2 10s. You've got the 100 in your brain. 110, 120. Now let's get the 9 1s and put that with the 120. You've got it? 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129. Oh, mathematicians, do you know what we get to do tomorrow? I am so excited. Tomorrow, we get to regroup. We're going to be counting the ones. There's going to be 10. We're going to trade it for a 10. Oh, it's going to be so exciting. It'll be a special Friday even more because we get to regroup. Okay, mathematicians, let's go ahead and pull straight down for our tally mark and start with the first flipboard. There's so many tally marks for how many days we've now been in school. Let's go ahead and start with this one. Are you ready? Okay, let's skip count by fives really fast. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129 days. So many days in kindergarten. Let's go ahead and write the date. Okay, get your whiteboard and dry erase marker. Unless you're using paper and pencil, go ahead and put the cap on the bottom of your marker. And let's start with a capital A for April. April 15th, 2021. Remember, A-P-R-I-L spells April. So capital A-P-R-I-L, April, finger space. Then write the number 15 with a 1 and a 5. Then put a comma, finger space, and the year, 2021. Okie dokie, mathematicians, let's go ahead and read this one more time. April 15th, 2021.